Good morning, everybody. This is Sean Carlson from Blackjack 98 Enterprises. Behind me, I got all the equipment that I need to once again do the back alley for cleaning it. I got my big badass motherfucker right there. All the rakes and stuff that I'll need for the leaves, debris, garbage, the hoses, the soaps, gloves, and a whole bunch of other tools too. Now, it's one thing to say that I'm cleaning it up and show you before and after pictures. It's another when you do it on a time-lapse video. So you will get to watch me do it this time. So hope you enjoy. I could explain it to you right now, but it's better if you just watch it. And if you look outside, you can see it's dark out. It'll be dark out when I do this. When I start, it doesn't get daylight until like around 7:30. 8 o'clock. Right now it's about 6 o'clock in the morning, Saturday, December 23rd of 2023. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start using the brooms and the pails and the soaps to scrub down the driveway or the walkway or whatever. I'm so tired right now. You'll watch me do it. Okay, that's it. Okay, so you see that bare spot in the middle there, it's a speed bump. On both sides of that speed bump, this is pretty much the bottom of the hill coming from up there. And you see I worked on both sides. There's a reason why I worked on both sides only, because both sides are where people are pissing and shitting and throwing their garbage. Rainwater washes it down on both sides, on either side of on the crevices, as you can see. The water runoff right there goes up there. The water runs down here along this. It goes up here. Now, in this area, the smell is really bad because this is where everything is pooling. Okay, and I went and dumped 2 pails of water, and this is where it is all draining out. There's a drain just up ahead there that this goes to, but in this area in particular is where all the smell comes from in the summertime. So you can't smell it, but I can imagine you could. Anyhow, it's all layered in soap. I'm just waiting for the right time. 7 o'clock, just starts making some noise with my big badass motherfucker, and I gotta move that stupid couch. There's a couch right here. I don't know where the hell it came from, but I gotta get rid of that. I soaped this area up too, as you had seen. And yeah, I'll get back at it. I'm just about to start this up, but I had an idea to create a stand for this to make this level because of the fact that we're on a sloped surface. I went and created this out of a piece of wood and some planks, and this is just to help make it level so that way the machine can operate correctly so the oil can get everywhere. So I'm about to start. Just wanted to show everybody this. Other than starting on the bare unlevel surface, I would have problems with that. I'm gonna get back into it. I'm gonna start it now. Alright, so we got this all done. Woohoo! All the way down to the far end of the gate. There was some tire marks on the wall right here, and I was able to wash them out without stripping the paint, which is really awesome. This entire area was brown water and green when I went and cleaned it out. I went and got this here a little bit too. Then we can got that crevice Washed from here, started washing down, including the wall. I washed about, as you've seen in the video, 4 or 5 feet up, going down. And I did sweeping bits, as you've seen. And I wanted to show everybody this here, because this was white with graffiti. And as you could tell, the whiteness is just still there, but I was able to get a lot of that off. For 4,200 PSI, you can strip graffiti off. But it wasn't powerful enough to take off the paint, which is really awesome. I got down here, this part here, that's garbage, I'm gonna put that out. And I went and did the same thing on this gate before the video camera turned off. There was some graffiti on there. I went and got on this side of the gate only because I don't have the key or the fob to open this gate, but as you can tell on the inside, well, you can tell right here, the gate separates the dirt from the clean area and how it looks. There's a whole bunch of dirty water in there, I gotta sweep that out. So when this gate opens up, I gotta get into there. My hose was only enough to reach to get up to this part here, but this right there I'm gonna wash out. I'm just gonna relocate my pressure washer into this area. So once I get it to that couches, then I start working on this area, the top steps. The top steps on this here, those, and then in this area all the way up here into the rear end, up into Bandita's area, plus this disgusting corner right here. Along this walkway, there's some algae coming from the plants from the landlady, and there's some algae, as you can see from the video, green stuff. And so I'm going to work on this area now. I'm going to reposition my camera, reposition the pressure washer, and there is a drain right there, as you can see, it's pooling of this disgusting water. I am getting my fair share of disgustingness. As you can tell, that water that is right here is draining into that far drain over there, like I was talking about. This area now has a mixture of sewage and soap. My idea is working really nice. So let me get everything all situated. Okay, so I've gotten as far as I could go with this here before my pressure washer just automatically shut off. And when that happens, it's usually because it ran out of oil. That's not on this particular model, it's not bad because it has an automatic shut off when the oil does get low, so it did not damage the engine. Looking at this here part, I got as far as this before I could not pull out any more line before it died on me. This is our eating area, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out my garden hose and just rinse everything away from that. Everything from here on out was pressure washed, was washed. That's heavy grease, that's black stuff right there. The steps look a lot nicer. So now I'm going to get out of here and move on into the bigger areas. Okay, everybody, so I'm done. I have completed for today. I just made it to the Vancouver landfill with my trailer load of that green debris, the thorns, the dirt, the old couch that you seen me move when I was pressure washing, and a whole bunch of other dirt and debris that had in garbage bags. I wouldn't tell the entire building that I live in that if you have any garbage to bring it into the trailer and then I can bring it to the landfill. Only one neighbor did that, and the rest didn't. Cannot say that they were not told because I gave notice to everybody, including the neighbors, what it is that I was doing. Everybody knew about the pressure washing, the garbage, the cleanup. All the neighbors, the businesses, the tenants of this building, everybody knew. Now I'm done for the day. At the end of it, I was so effing gross and disgusting. I smelled like an actual sewer plant. Now that I'm finished, I got everything rinsed and put away. There's some little touch-ups that I need to do next weekend, but it's not as hectic as it would have been today. So it'll be staying in the basement here until maybe next Monday or Tuesday after the Christmas day. I'll do some more cleaning up. Until then, I hope you all enjoyed the videos that I made for you. I have done this before at Kyle's and Solo Cafe. So I'm thinking I might approach them again and ask them if they would like me to do an end of the year cleanup of the sidewalk. Ask them, make a proposal, see if they accept it. If they do, maybe I'll do that next Saturday. And you'll see me do a time-lapse video of that too. And technically on that one, I can get that one done in less than 2 hours. If I start at 6 and I go right till 8, with 8 o'clock is when they start to open. Kyle's opens their cafe and then they can let the customers in. And I've always done it within 2 hours. So I'll think about that. Until then, I'm gonna go get a bottle of rum and some Coke and we'll start drinking heavily tonight. Oh shit, so everybody have a good happy holidays and I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, make a comment. If you would like to leave a negative comment, make sure you include your address so I can find you and beat the piss out of you. Until then, have a good day everybody.